So here's our little TR. She's all cleaned up. She's looking quite lovely. Quick coat of wax. We've done a little bit of touch-up painting in the engine bay. She's come out really nice. Now, when she arrived, she was leaking oil like a sieve. The engine bay was a pit. The top was gray. The paint was not that pretty anymore. But the bones were all there. So, by diligently cleaning and tweaking and tuning, and as you saw with the engine, a lot of work to do rectifying disasters that other people created, she's become a pretty little car. Runs like a top. Looks lovely. And she'll now go under the car cover in storage until next spring, when I can afford to deal with the top and have the driver's side seat recovered. It's only got 77,000 kilometers, so it was mostly a case of dealing with neglect and poor workmanship, which is kind of sad. As you can see, starts on the first twist of the key. No choke. It's a nice warm day. No leaks, no runs, no errors. Idle's lovely at 1,000 RPM. So that's this project done for the moment until spring comes, when I can afford to replace the top and do the seat. We might even put a nice set of raised white leather tires on it. We'll see when we get there. So I hope you enjoyed this. It shows what you can do with some hard work. About 60 hours in it. We fixed door panels, we fixed window regulators, the engine, all kinds of trim pieces. We made the top weather tight, but it still needs to be dealt with. Found the broken hubcap, replaced it, checked all the fluids. We just basically went through from stem to stern, turning everything back to stock. And this will now become my baseline car. Everything on this car is dead stock. So what we do with my other TR and a couple of surprises we have coming up, we can measure against this one, which is perfect. We can see real results all the time. So until the next video, which won't be too long, enjoy, and that brings this one to a close till spring.